In this video, we will discuss how to create a purchase order in Splendid Accounts. To create a purchase order, click on Purchases on the left side. Click on Order. Click on Add Purchase Order. Select the vendor for whom you want to create the purchase order, the product. We are creating a purchase order for, select the product there, select the quantity. You will select the price here. You can also set it manually, whatever price you wish to set. If you want to give any discount, you can provide it here. If you need to apply any tax to the product, you can add it from here, close it, and then save the product, and the tax will be applied to that product. You can also select multiple products, or if you have a barcode sticker on the product and want to add it to the invoice through scanning, you will click on Quickly Add Product here. As soon as you scan the barcode with your scanner, the product will be selected and appear here in the same way. If you do it multiple times, the quantity of that product will keep adding up within it. You can write any comments here if you wish. If you need to attach anything to the order, you can add an attachment from here, and simply by continuing to edit, it will be saved in your draft. If you need to add more products to it, you can do so after saving it in the draft. This data of yours will remain saved right here. If you need to add any more products later, you can do so. Once confirmed, keep saving each entry you make as a draft. As soon as it is drafted, you can click on Approve, and your purchase order will be approved. This is how we can create a purchase order in Splendid Accounts. Thank you.